Let's take a look at how these sleek, modern Anglo European toilet commodes are made in the factory. First, raw materials like kaolin, ball clay, feldspar, and quartz are brought at the factory. The raw materials are then crushed into smaller forms and mixed with the water to obtain a slurry. These materials are mixed very carefully, in definite proportions, to deliver standard quality products. Now, the slurry is poured into commode molds, made of plaster, so it can absorb all the moisture and give a solid shape of the commode. After few hours, the mold is removed, and a solid commode is taken out of it. Later, these commodes are left to dry for a few hours. After drying, the commodes are sanded and polished to achieve an even and smooth surface. Next, these polished commodes undergo a glaze coating for a lustrous and attractive look. Glazed commodes are then heated under high temperature in a kiln to enhance the durability. The finished commodes then undergo a sorting process. Thereafter, the brand name and the logo is laser printed on the sorted commodes. At last, the Anglo European toilet commodes are carefully packed and stored for the distribution.